Hi everybody, this is Jay Harris coming to you from Tom's Trading Room. In this video presentation, we're going to go over something that Tom showed in a recent Trading Essentials video to a lot of folks that attended that course. And if you weren't able to make it, or if you've been using the tools for a while and wanted to see how we use what's called the backtest function, we're going to show you now a quick little way to backtest the moving averages. So you have the Home tab. You can go on Tom's Tools, or go down here to Moving Averages, or you can just click on the crossover icon in the Option Trader panel. When you click on Moving Average Crossovers, this is the page that populates, and you'll see right now it has the average long days 30 days, the short days 10. This is in honor of George Fontenelle's his 1030 crossover system that he's used for a number of years. What we're going to show you folks is you can keep it at 1030, or you can change it to whichever two sets of moving averages that you'd like. We're going to do a backtest on stocks. We're going to click on the stocks green button right there, and we're going to bring up the moving average stocks page here. And in this page, you're going to see that the moving averages are still the same, and you're going to see that the backtest date range function is right here. So right now we have it on my stock list, and this is a follow-up to the video I just did on using the My Stock to test things out. And I think I left it with the FANG stocks: Facebook, Amazon, Netflix, and Google. So we're going to keep it on My Stock list. You can run a 1030 backtest over a set number of days on an individual stock or ETF if you like, but we're going to keep it on My Stock list because this is like I showed you in the previous video. Let's run the test on it, see if we like the results before we create this particular list or not. But let's also see now with the backtesting functions that the tools allow, if it's even viable on this batch of stocks. So right now the default is for days since the last trade events was 1,000 days. The backtest date range was 365 days, and we're going to click on search. So leaving it as a default right now, just click on search and let's see what, well, that's showing you percent winners, and that's fine too. You can see the percentage winners right now over the 365 days. Out of the number of trades, it looks like 2 of them were profitable or winners, as it comes in at 50%. You can do math expectation over here as well, days since last event or return on investment, and click search. So if you look at math expectation, you're going to see the math expectation is over the last 365 days, the average profit on these was 480, and the average loss was minus 603. So the max expectation is a loss situation. Not too good, not too exciting for the last 365 days on these 4 stocks down here. So let's change the date range. Let's go ahead and backtest 1,500 days. I think Tom showed that in the educational session that he ran. So if we go 1,500 days on both the last trade event and the backtest date range days and click search, let's see if the results come any better. So maybe the last year wasn't that great, but over this longer date range, it gives you more faith in these particular stocks. So the math expectation comes out as a positive now, 224, average profit 1195, average loss 578. So that's a reward to risk ratio of about 2 to 1. And you can see the individual line items down below. So if you like that and you're confident in the moving average crossovers, the 1030 in particular with the FANG stocks, you can go ahead and go to your website, list, edit list, and create a list called FANG 1030 Cross, or FANG 1030 Bullish Cross. That would be the name you give it. And then that list is saved. You can run this back test in the next quarter and see if the results are holding up, getting better or worse, and so on from there. So there is the backtest function with the moving averages, and there are more backtest features to come in the tools as we go, and we'll create videos for those along the way. Enjoy your day. Bye for now.